Hi everyone! No, I'm not the cute adorable dog or the cat. Today, I decided to organize my entire craft thing, and I'm a little in over my head, and I'm about to, ignore the noise, put away the new Cinderella box that I got, and I wanted to show it off before it gets lost in organization. So let's go check out my craft setup. So as you can see, I do have the box. It's on the floor. It was overpacked. Like, the box was barely closed. I like the company that they're using for it, DHL, and I even had to sign for it. And surprisingly, everything wasn't like spilled all over. Like, the glitter stayed in the container and everything. So what I'm currently doing is, as you can see, I have a lot of little pieces and a lot of big pieces. And I don't just do resin, I do soap and candles and clay, jewelry, and then resin. My place is a mess. But I wanted to show you a little bit of the beautiful Cinderella pigments. So this is like, they didn't have the color names on them, but this blue is gorgeous. This is like almost a baby blue. And then, holy cow, this is like a teal. It's so pretty. And then of course we got like the glittery stuff, yellows, nice big thing of pink. And then of course we have the little metal bits that you get. And then instead of like the keychain open face bezels, they gave us some bezels, but they also gave us keys. So what I've been doing is I have silver bezels here, gold here. This is stuff for necklaces, for like pins or brooches. This is for the keychains. And then Sophie and Toffee loves to send you giant bags of polymer clay stuff. This is the Cinderella one. I have a whole bunch more in there. It's currently overflowing. So here I have like my clear paper that you can put in. So this is the oops, upside down. Here's the Cinderella one. It's really pretty. I have like stuff for like, they're supposed to go on your nails, but you can use them for resin. I have all of that in here. Stickers, all kinds of things. And then, in this one, I have like, I promise, this is like shredded clay or something. It came out of a Sophie and Toffee boba box. So this isn't anything illegal, I promise. And then I have some of the really pretty shredded paper stuff. Here's the boba supplies. And then, so I thought this was interesting. With the villains one, we got magnets that were like a normal size. Okay. Here's the magnets. Right there. There's the magnets for the Cinderella. They are super duper tiny. So, in case I didn't have a hard enough time before, I'll have an even harder time. And then I do save all of the little booklets that they give me, because sometimes they tell you like what the ingredients are, or not ingredients, but like what's in the box, the name of it, and they give you cool ideas too. Scissors from that squishy one. I did throw away the squishy gel stuff. I didn't like it, so I threw it away. And I threw away the soft UV resin. I could not stand the smell. I did not enjoy it. So over there is like, those are trinket dishes, and they're on my Etsy store, but all in there is like my ideas. So here's the new molds that I got for the Cinderella box. I haven't even unwrapped them yet. They're huge. They're like, if you go to Disney World, they're like the giant ice cream sandwich cookies with like the giant Nestle chocolate chip cookies. So that'll be exciting, trash. Here's like a Cinderella dress mold. You're supposed to put like the little magnets in there and you can do like an interchanging dress. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that with those super tiny magnets. And then this is to make like your own, I guess, embezzlement. Embezzlement is not the right word. Your other little trinket thingies, okay? I can't remember the word. And of course, the the beautiful shoe. I promise I can talk. There's a Halloween thing I'm working on. And then here I have like loose gems. And then over here, I have, okay, this is all shaker oil. I didn't know I had so much. And over here is all epoxy resin and the UV resin. I'm good. I will not have to buy resin for a few months. And then these are all colors, like liquid colors. So that's fun. And then in here is all of my powders. See, this is the Villains ones. These are glow in the dark. There's some liquid ones in here because I couldn't fit them all. More glow in the dark. I put the glitter in here because it's kind of pigmented. So, of course I drop it. I will now put the Cinderella ones in here with one hand. Oops, wrong way. Okay, I bet you can't guess what this drawer is for. Yes, it's nothing but the UV silicone molds and one big mold that's not for UV. So this one will probably fit in here, and then this one will probably fit in here, but big huge one's not. And then here are all of my tools. So my little pouring cups, my big pouring cups, stuff that goes inside, the sticky tape, little lights, brushes, a seashell just in case, my UV tools, pliers, jewelry, all kinds of stuff, and scrapbooking that I want to do because I got a Cricut and I haven't really used it. Now this is for my bigger stuff. So I have my big resin molds, so that's for epoxy. I have some non-clear ones. More of the polymer clay things. Giant glitter. Big bead things. All kinds of stuff. And I finally got one of those heat gun things. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then I will show you my even bigger things. Alright, now for my big molds. So that's just a giant brain. It's supposed to be for cake and or jello. And it still might be. I got it. Somebody gave it to me in case like I want to do a giant resin project with it. Imagine how much resin that's going to take though. Like, I'm not prepared. And then over here are my super big molds. So letters, trinket dishes, other trinket dishes. That's where that's going to go. There's like little cups, and that's a cat toy. And backup pigment. There's some alcohol inks. Those are all candles that nobody buys. I don't know why I'm doing it. And then we have a whole bunch of plastic cups. Now we are using them to drink out right now due to the COVID situation. But normally and I still do, I use them for like the epoxy mixing. It's just so much easier that way. And then, like I said, there's the Mod Podge, more Mod Podge, the tiny hammer, soap. I have everything, more cups, and then a giant bag of wax for candles. Seriously. I have too many hobbies. But yeah, and the thing I love about this is it has a plug, and I can turn it off and on, and I can plug my lamp into it, the heat gun into it, all kinds of things. So if I back up, there is all of my craft stuff and my Cricut. And I just wanted to show off, while it looks pretty because it won't last long, that once you start, you don't stop, because everything becomes an idea. But it's up to you to take the idea and make it work. I wish I was a little more creative, but I'm working on it. And there's Tupperware with stuff. So this video is not very long. There probably won't be a lot of editing because it's been crazy. But I hope you at least enjoyed how I organize and store all of my stuff. So please give this a like, please give this a comment. Also, if you want to help save the USPS and you want a pen pal, let me know. I would love to write letters to people. It can be about any subject, pets, the dog, chameleons, resin. But let's help save the post office and let's become best friends. Thank you for watching and have a great day.